Adding a print-on-demand publication to your Shopify store. Please note that before adding a publication to your Shopify store, you must have an active print link in your Mixam account. If you do not have one set up, you can check out our video on how to do so in the description of this video. If you have an active print link and are ready to sell your publication directly to your customer, let's take a look at how to add your publications to your Shopify store. Starting on our homepage, navigate to the My Account tab and select the Integrations tab under Print Link. Select the Shopify tab and click the Connect to Store button below. Next, enter in your Shopify shop's URL and click the Submit button. If done correctly, you will be redirected to Shopify's site, where an on-screen pop-up for our app will appear. To proceed, click the Install button in the bottom right corner. From here, you'll have to log into your Mixam account on the Shopify website. After doing so, you'll be able to see your Shopify shop's URL, the number of active publications, and the last sync date. Once you connect your Mixam account to your Shopify store, you'll be able to select which publications you want to add to your website. However, if you are unable to do so, you must set up at least one chargeable card to your Mixam account. This is done by clicking the Bank Details tab under Print Link and linking one of your cards to the Chargeable Account option. If you've set up your chargeable account correctly, you'll now be able to add any of your publications to your Shopify store. To assure your publication was successfully linked, please look out for the alert that says so. After your publications have been added, navigate to the Products tab and select the specific publication you want to edit. To add in Mixam's interactive preview, scroll down and select View Template under the Theme Template box. This will redirect you to a preview of your Mixam product page on your Shopify site. For the interactive preview, click the Add Section button under the Template section on the left side of the screen. Navigate over to the Apps tab and select the Mixam Interactive Preview button. If done correctly, a live preview of your publication will appear on your product page. Click the Save button in the top right to assure all your changes have been made. For one final check, navigate back over to the Shopify site tab and click the Preview button under your product page. This will take you to a live preview of your product page where you should be able to see the interactive preview of your publication. Don't forget to configure your shop settings to auto-fulfillment for the fastest turnaround times. This saves you from having to manually release all of your orders to Mixam. And there it is. Your PrintLink publications are now set up and active, and you've integrated them into your Shopify store. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit the Shopify FAQ section on our site. For any unanswered questions, feel free to message us on our socials @MixamPrint or by using the chat bubble on our site.